Iris Street Renovation, week 150. This week is all about finishing tiling in both bathrooms, so let's do that. The shelf isn't even, so let's make it even. I need to add a 2x4 strip to the left side of this shelf so that it can be centered in the shower. To make it flush with the cement board, I add an additional 1/2 inch strip of 2x4. To keep this new wood protected, I apply another coat of Red Guard before calling it a night. On Saturday, I turn my attention to the tile in the master shower. I start by installing tile up to the level of the shower nook. Once I get to the shower nook, the metal trim must be installed. I use hot glue to hold the edging in place until the mortar can apply the final hold. I pre-cut the backsplash tiles for the nook so that I can install them in one go. With the nook edged and tiled, I work on the remaining tiles up to the ceiling. On Sunday, I apply grout to the kitchen backsplash. You can't tell easily from the video, but in person, the grout really elevates the look of the backsplash. The initial coat will dry for 30 minutes before a final wipe down. Back in bathroom 2, I prepare the bathtub tiles for grout as well. The more jobs I do around the house, the bigger fan I become of easy cleanups, which is why you see me applying tape to the work boundaries. The first coat of grout goes on beautifully, and after a short drying period, I wipe it clean. Here's how the bathtub looks at the end of the day. Hey guys, good afternoon. Currently I'm stuck in traffic. I'm on my way to Colorado Springs, a trip that I wish I wasn't making. The reason I'm going down here is because I've been working on the shower, ran out of tiles, and when I went back to Floor and Decor, I found out that the tile that I'd purchased had been discontinued and they couldn't order more. Springs is the only store that still has one in stock, so I'm going down there. So I guess that's a little tiling pro tip. When you're picking up tile for a project, either buy some extra, because Floor and Decor honors returns, as do most stores, or make sure that it's not a discontinued product, so if you do run out, you can order some more. Alrighty, well, wish me luck with the Denver rush hour traffic. I'll see you in the Springs. Back home, I build out the frame for the window in the backsplash of the kitchen. I want to schedule a paint crew soon, so I'm trying to get all the trim work finished. I fill in the nail holes and cracks with joint compound and leave everything to dry overnight. Thanks to yesterday's trip to Colorado Springs, I now have enough tile to finish the shower. This takes me to the end of the night, but after cranking away, I'm able to finish the tiling in the shower. That's a wrap for week 150. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, always buy 20% extra material for all your tiling jobs.